Welcome back. Now that you have created your course materials, it's time to answer the big question. How do you get your course into the hands of the students? Well, uploading your videos to YouTube may seem like the easiest option, but here's the thing, it's not profitable enough. So running a successful educational business requires more than just video streaming on YouTube. So no, we are not going to upload the videos to YouTube. We are going to upload the lessons to an educational platform. Let's see how to do it. To really deliver educational courses, you need a system that can provide the following. First, a platform to stream the videos in order to track the student progress. Second, a forum to answer student questions. Third, a system to collect payments from your students. And then finally, marketing tools for effective promotion. Now, you can build all of this by yourself, but let's be honest, that's a lot of work, especially when you are just starting out. Instead, most educators use existing platforms that handle all of this for them. One of the most popular platforms is Udemy. It's beginner-friendly, takes care of all the back-end work, and lets you focus on what really matters: creating great content, answering student questions, and collecting your earnings. There are others like Udemy out there, like, for example, Skillshare or Teachable, and many others. I don't have any relation with any of those, so I'm going to show you the one that I use, which is Udemy, because it's the one that I have experience with. Those platforms simplify the process of getting students, streaming their video lessons, collecting the payments, providing the forum, etc. And since they provide all those services, they will get a commission on the money that the students pay to you. Let me show you how to get started on Udemy. Step 1. Create an account on Udemy. Head over Udemy and sign up for an account. Then select the option Teach on Udemy. Step 2. Fill out your profile. Complete your profile with details about teaching goals and areas of expertise. Once done, submit it for evaluation. Udemy will review your profile and may take some hours. Once you are approved, you are ready to start setting your course in Udemy. Step 3. Upload your course content. Log into your account and then start setting your course. Upload your videos, slides, project links, and other materials. The process is simple and intuitive. Step 4. Create a thumbnail for your course. Your course thumbnail is like your course book cover. It's the first thing that the students will see. So use a tool like canva.com to design an eye-catching thumbnail and upload it to your course on Udemy. Step 5. Set up the payment system. To start earning, you will need to set up your payout and tax settings in Udemy. Go to your account settings and follow the steps to link your payment method. There, you will specify how you will get paid. This part takes a bit of time, but don't skip it. This is how you get paid for your hard work. Step 6. Publish your course. Once your materials are uploaded, your thumbnail is ready, and your payment details are set, hit publish. Yes, that's the moment of joy. Your course is live and you are officially in business. Well done. But wait, there is more. While your course is now available, you may notice that your sales are starting small. To really grow your income, you will need to promote your course effectively. And that's exactly what we'll cover in the next episode. We are going to take your Robotics Academy to the next level. Let's build your robotics educational empire. And by the way, I am Ricardo Tellez. I am the CEO of the Construct Robotics Institute, which is the biggest online academy teaching robotics and ROS of the world. So I know something about this subject.